Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common challenge for gardeners and homeowners alike: how to get rid of weeds and grass. We'll go through some effective methods, step by step. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Identifying the weeds. First, let's identify the type of weeds you have. Knowing whether they're annuals, like crabgrass, or perennials, like dandelions, helps determine the best removal strategy. A study by the University of California Agriculture and Natural Resources provides great insights into weed identification. Step 2. Hand weeding. For small areas, hand weeding is effective. Wear your gloves, grab your weeding tool, and gently pull out the weeds, ensuring you get the roots. This method is labor-intensive but very eco-friendly. Step 3. Mowing. Regular mowing helps control weeds, but it's important to keep your grass at an ideal height. Avoid cutting it too short. According to the Lawn Institute, maintaining a slightly taller grass length can actually be beneficial, as it shades the soil and prevents weed seeds from sprouting. This strategy balances the need for neatness and weed suppression. Step 4. Herbicides. If you prefer chemical solutions, select an herbicide. Always follow the product's instructions. For a natural approach, vinegar-based solutions can work, as noted by a Cornell University study. Remember, herbicides should be a last resort. Step 5. Mulching. Mulching is an excellent way to suppress weeds. A layer of mulch blocks sunlight, hindering weed growth. The Department of Horticulture at Purdue University has shown the effectiveness of mulching against weeds. Step 6. Fertilizing and watering. Maintain a healthy lawn by fertilizing and watering regularly. A well-fed, hydrated lawn can outcompete weeds. Research from Michigan State University highlights the importance of proper lawn nutrition in weed management. Step 7. Monitoring. Finally, keep an eye on your lawn. Early detection makes weed control much easier. Regularly check and deal with any new weeds promptly. And that's it. With these steps, you can effectively get rid of weeds in your grass. Remember, patience and consistency are key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, share, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Happy gardening!